Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be going back over the manual tire changer. I've used this in the past, as you've seen on my videos, changing the tire on the J5, and I've also kind of went through this kind of quickly before. So I'm going to kind of go through things a little bit slower for you because I've been getting questions about how I've mounted it. So first of all, what I've done is I found a place in my garage that would be out of the way, and this seemed to be right in the center here between the doors. Worked out pretty good. Drilled some holes in the concrete. I think it's 5/8 bolts that I use. And just kind of bolted it down, and it has not gone anywhere, and I've changed a lot of tires on this. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you need your tire. So bring it over, and what you want to do is you want to remove the top here. Get that out of the way. Little bracket that holds it down. Get your tire. Alright, you're going to get the air out of it. So get yourself a little valve stem remover. It moves a little valve. So let's get the air out. That's the first thing you need to do. Put that off to the side. You need to break the bead first. Just kind of find a good spot for that. Set that wedge down inside there. Comes with a bar. And just kind of push down on it. Sometimes you got to kind of work at it. There it goes. Alright. Flip it over. The same thing. And this side is a little harder, so sometimes you got to turn it a little bit. Keep going. There we go. Pull that out of there. Get the bar off the side. Now, because you've already got that out of the way, pull it. Take this little pin. What that does is it keeps it from spinning. Go ahead and put your little locking device in there. Pull it down. Go ahead and snug it up a little bit. Alright, now, what I like to do is put something in there, a little lube. I'm just using some simple green. I mean, I've used Windex, I've used whatever I had on hand. Just going to spray that in there. Go ahead and take your bar, okay, and it has a little end here that's designed to kind of sit up underneath. Like that. When you do this, make sure this side of the tire is down in the valley, because if it's still up in here, you're not going to be able to pull back. So make sure this end of the tire is down in the valley of the tire, of the rim. And pull it back. And go ahead. You'll peel right off. Just like that. Do the same thing. Here, pull that out. And there it is. All set. go ahead and clean the rim all up. Okay, do what you need to do. I usually take a wire brush, clean that all up, and then remount the tire. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take a wire brush, clean that all up. Same thing on the top. And then usually what I'll do is just kind of wipe the bead down a little bit. I'm putting this tire right back on, so there's nothing really else that I need to do to this. Then what I'll do is I'll kind of put a little lubrication on there to help slide that down in. Take the tire, and what you want to do is you want to try to push it on over. Sometimes you can, sometimes you have to use the bar. Okay, that went right in, no problem. Now putting the top one on, you can only get so far before you have to use the bar. And I've seen people do this different ways. Tighten this down a little bit more here, it's moving around. Alright. Using that same tip, okay, you want to push inside there and you want to just lift up on it. While pushing on here, again, you want this down in the valley. I usually use my knee. Go like that, still leaving it in there, turn it a little bit, do some more, a little bit, and do some more, and so forth. Okay, just like that. You're all the way around. Not a lot to it. Then, go ahead, kind of pull up on it a little bit. Make sure it seats. Put your valve back in. Just like that. Let's go ahead and fill it there. Keep your hands free from everything here. Put our dust cap back on. Go ahead and move it. And there it is. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll just kind of check for leaks. Just kind of spray around there, and it'll be very obvious if you have some leaks because it'll start bubbling up. Do the same thing over here. I don't generally have any leaks, I just want to check it. And there it is. It's all set. Now all we have to do is, if I was going to put this on a vehicle, it's going to be on the road. This is actually going on one of my yard vehicles, so I don't have to worry about that. But if I wanted to balance this, I have a balancer right there, and I'll show that in another video. But this video is basically on how to use the manual tire changer itself. Very nice little machine. I've used it up on 17-inch rims all the way down to 4-wheeler rims. So there it is, and I hope this helps. I hope this answers a lot of the questions that I've been getting. And please comment below if you have any other questions. Other than that, thanks an awful lot for watching.